Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to draft, cut and sew an angled sleeve. This particular outfit design can be made as a two-piece set or as a jumpsuit. The unique design detail on this outfit is the sleeves, which I'm going to show you how to make. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothing Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you! I'll be working with the following items: basic sleeve pattern, pattern paper, ruler, pins, marker pen, paper scissors, tape measure. So I have here this pattern paper which I have already laid out on the table. The length that I intend to use for the sleeve is 35 inches and this length of sleeve is about my nail length. So I'll go ahead and draw a diagonal line on the pattern paper like this. I will now go ahead and position my basic sleeve pattern such that the sleeve edge touches the diagonal line like this. I will now go ahead and pin it in place. Next, I'll go ahead and measure out the full length of the sleeve, which is 35 inches, starting from the sleeve edge of the basic sleeve pattern. I will now square a horizontal line across like this. I will also draw a horizontal line across the sleeve edge like this, at the sleeve edge like this. Next, I will find the middle point, which is 17.5 inches, which is the half of the full length of the sleeve. I'll measure and mark 17.5 inches and I will square a horizontal line across. I will now connect the sleeve edge to the middle horizontal line like this. The point that you will connect it to on the horizontal line will depend on how wide you want the sleeve to be. So I will do my own connection like this. I don't want it to be too wide. I will also connect these 2 points together like this using my ruler. I will also trace out the shape of the sleeve edge like this. So this outline that I'm showing with my hand is the angled sleeve pattern. I will now go ahead and cut it out. So this is what the angled sleeve pattern looks like. This side will be cut on fold on the fabric. So now I have gone ahead to pin the pattern on my fabric. The fabric is on fold at this side, as you can see. And I have 4 layers of fabric here. The 2 sleeve pieces will be cut together. I use half an inch seam allowance all around the pattern. I will now go ahead and cut it out. So this is what the two sleeve pieces look like. I will now go ahead and mark the wrong side of the fabric so as to avoid confusion while sewing. And this is what the full sleeve looks like. What I will do now is to go ahead and hem this side of the sleeve that I'm showing with my hand. I'll go ahead and do the hemming for both sleeve pieces. So now I have done the hemming for the two sleeve pieces and I've given the two pieces a thorough press. I have here these dartless bodies and I'm going to fix the two sleeves to the angle of the bodies. I have a tutorial on how to draft, cut and sew these dartless bodies on my channel. Its link will be above and in the description box below. I will now go ahead and fix the sleeve to the armhole of the bodies like this. The open end will be at the upper part, while the side unfold will be at the lower end. I will notch the middle point of the sleeve like this. I will now pin it in place. I intend to do a French seam, so wrong sides will be together. Once I'm done pinning, I will take it to my sewing machine and I will stitch in place using 1/4 of an inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see. I will now go ahead and reduce the 1/4 inch sewing allowance to about 1/8 of an inch. So now that I'm done with the trimming, I will turn the blouse to the wrong side, like this. I will now do a second stitching using the remaining 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Half an inch was the seam allowance used on the armhole when I was cutting out the fabric on both the sleeve and the bodies. So I'll go ahead and do a stitching all around the armhole using 1/4 of an inch sewing allowance for both sleeve pieces. So now I'm done with the stitching and this is the final look of the sleeve on the blouse after giving it a thorough press. So that's it guys, we are done. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends who are interested in sewing, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you so much for watching.